Hi everyone, we are going to solve the following integration questions. Okay, so we start by solution. Okay, question 1. So let u be equal to x minus 1. Okay, so if we differentiate du dx is equal to what? 1, then it means that du is equal to what? Dx. Okay, so what is our dx? Our dx is what? U. So we come back to the formula, then we put in what? Du here. And what is our x minus what? 1, which is what? U. Then we put it inside. So we are going to get what? Integral from 2 to 10. We have 3. Then our u. Then our dx is equal to what? Du, which is this. Okay. So from this side, since 3 is a constant, we can bring it out. So we're going to get 3, then the integral side, 2 to 10. Then we have what? This one, this whole thing, you can write it as what? Then what? Du. Okay. So let me bring the equals. So if you integrate this one, what do you get? If you integrate this, you will get 3. Then you add 1 to the exponent. Then divide it by what? The exponent. From what? 2 to 10. Okay. So here we are going to get 3. Then u exponent 3 on 2. Let me write it. 3 on 2. Then the other one is 3 on 2. From what? 2 to what? To 10. What is our u? Our u is 1, sorry, x minus 1. So we put x minus 1 into u. So you're going to get 3, then open x minus 1 raised to the power 3 on 2, all divided by 3 on 2. From what? 2 to what? 10. Okay. So let's come to this. Sorry. Come to this side. You're going to get 3. Then when you put in the limit, you're going to get what? 10 minus what? 1. Which is what? Okay, let me write 10 minus 1. 3 on 2. All divided by what? 3 on 2. Minus. Then you put in the down one, which is what? 2 minus what? 1. 3 on 2. All divided by what? 3 on 2. So here, if you work on this one, you're going to get what? If you work on this one, your answer is going to be 52. So the final answer for this integration is equal to 52. Let's go to the second one. The second question. Still the solution. Second question, you have 2, question 2. Then we have from 0 to what? Here, this one is 4. Pi on 4. Then we have cos this dx. Here, you can say that let u be equal to what? Root of what? This. Okay. So here we find du dx. This one is the same as what? This 1 on 2. Okay, so if you find du dx, you're going to get 1 on 2, then what? 1 over 2, because you're going to subtract what? 1 from what? The half, and you get what? Something like this, which is equal to what? 1 on what? 2 root on what? X. Okay, so here we are trying to find a dx. So we have what? Du dx, which is equal to 1 on what? 2 this x. But our u is equal to what? Root on what? X. So if you try to square both sides, you're going to get what? U square equal to what? Root x, which is the same as what? This. Then what? X. Okay, so now we know that our x is equal to u. So in place of what? X here, we can put in what? U. So we are going to get what? Du dx, which is equal to what? 1 on what? 2. Then we have what? Root on what? U square. By this one, cancel this. So we have what? 1 on what? 2u. So from here, our du dx, we can make ds the surrogate. If we make ds the surrogate, we are going to get dx, which is equal to 2u on what? Du. Something like this. So now we have what? Our ds. So in place of what? Here we can go and put in what? Ds. And in place of what? This whole thing, we can put in what? U, because we started by saying that our u is equal to this. Okay, so let's bring this one away. So this equation, you can write the equation as what? 0 to what? Pi on what? 4. You can write it as cos u, then what? 2 u du, because our what? Dx is, this is how it is. Therefore, so now 2 is a constant, so we can bring what? 2 out. Okay, so this equation you can write it as what? Pi on what? On 4, 0. Then we have what? Cos u du. So now we can apply what? Integration by part on this. So if you apply integration by part on this, you can say that let the first u, this u, be equal to something like p. So you can say that let p be equal to, okay, here we don't want to what? Worry ourselves. Let's use the table so that we get our answer simple. So we are going to use the table. So here you differentiate with respect to u, then here you integrate. So here is your u, and here is what? Your cos of u. Okay, so here if you differentiate this, you get 1. If you integrate this, you get what? Sine u. If you differentiate this one again, you get 0. If you integrate this, you get minus what? Cos what? Cos u. So your sign is going to be from here to this, which is positive. From here to this, which is negative. Okay, so this one time this. So you're going to get what? U sine what? U. Okay, minus minus. So which is what? Cos what? U. Okay, so this is what? This is the integration for what? For this. But don't forget that you have 2 in front. So you're going to get what? So your equation, just this equation, 2 integral from what? 0 to what? Pi on 4, sorry. Then u cos u du is equal to 2 times what? u sine what? U plus what? Cos u, which is this. Okay, so from here you can put in what? Your u. You started by saying that your u is equal to, sorry, we didn't bring the limit. The limit is supposed to be here. 0 to what? Pi on 4. Okay, that's our limit. So here we started by saying that our u is equal to what? This. So in wherever you see what, you put in what? Root of what? X. So here we are going to get what? 2, then this sine this plus cos this. Okay, then limit from 0 to what? Pi on what? 4. Okay, so here we can put in what? Our limits. So we have 2, then our limit here is going to pi on what? 4. Then root on what? That is the root on what? Pi on 4. Then sine pi on what? 4 plus sine pi on what? 4. Okay. So here, look at something. Pi on 4. Look at here. Pi on 4. What is pi on 4? Just use the calculator to enter and you get your final answer. Okay. Use the calculator to enter this whole thing and you get your final answer. Okay. Thank you. Or you can, let me continue. So here, 2 bracket open pi on 4 then you can see that here you get something like this math. So you just use the calculator to enter and you get your final answer. Thank you.